One of the first things that happens when a client feels that something hasn't gone right with their medical care is a phone call, simply a phone call to our office, which is often one of the hardest things for you to do because this is one of the worst things that's ever happened to you. If you've lost a family member, if you had a child born with a brain injury, if you went into a surgery or your wife or daughter went into a surgery and came out more injured than when they came in, often picking up the phone and realizing that that's your new reality is the most difficult thing to do. That initial phone call here at Clifford Law Offices is going to be with an experienced lawyer. So what I mean by experienced is somebody who handles pretty much only these type of cases. And often it's going to be in conjunction with a medical professional as well. So we have the privilege here at Clifford Law Offices of having a number of nurses on staff, nurse lawyers, and then partners like myself who really do nothing but medical negligence investigations and trial work. My first step is to just listen, to hear what happened to you from your perspective, what went wrong, which I think is one of the most important pieces of our investigation, because this is something that changed your life. That's what you're calling us about, and how you perceive that happening to you, what just didn't feel right about that situation is incredibly important to me. So that initial phone call of hearing your story, hearing what tragedy has happened to you, and really listening to that information is step one. What happened to you is never going to be exactly like what happened to somebody else. But unfortunately, we see these type of negligent situations over and over again, and often repeat offenders that are victimizing patients. So that experience level matters. We have immediate access to incredibly experienced experts. So if it's a question we have right off the bat about something we need to start our investigation, that happens on the day that you call.